Did Lionel listen to my idea? Does Lionel watch my videos? Hey guys, how you doing? It's Art from Art's Model Trainz. So I was going through the September release from Lionel, and no, I'm not going through the whole thing with you guys. There's just one thing I want to talk about in that catalog that I thought was pretty cool. A while ago, I had done a video, and I'll put a link for it up here somewhere, where I talked about my thoughts about Lionel Superbass. And one of the things I kicked around in that video was the idea of Lionel doing a Superbass boxcar that you could put in the Train. You could also, I guess, use this same combination in a boxcar, right? A Superbass boxcar to go along with your pacemaker Mohawk. And it would allow you to add even more sound. I mean, I know these locomotives have tremendous sound, but just experiencing this, I would love to have something like this going behind one of my steam locomotives. It would be fantastic. So earlier this year, I was at the Amherst show in January, and I spent some time in the Lionel booth talking to Ryan and Dave. And of course, I pitched some of my ideas that I came up with in that video, talking about how Lionel should do a Superbass boxcar or a Superbass tender or something generic that could be added to a train, potentially using some downloads and stuff from Lionel to actually sync the sounds with the locomotive it was running with. Dave, of course, was very gracious. I'm sure he took my idea and filed it away and said, yeah, this guy's crazy. But lo and behold, the September catalog comes out, and what's in there? Now, hidden in the back, second to last page, I think it was a 6464 boxcar with a Bluetooth speaker in it. Now, I have my trusty Mecha 6464 boxcar here. These are not very big boxcars. This is not going to be a Superbass boxcar. I'm not fooling myself. I don't think Lionel took my idea and ran with it. I'd like to think maybe my idea played a little bit into their thought process for creating this concept, but I think it's a really good idea, and hopefully it's a step. Maybe they thought doing this in a 6464 boxcar would be a low-cost way to sort of introduce this idea, and let's see how people pick it up and go with it. But I think it would be a great idea. I am definitely going to purchase one of these, so look out for my review in the future. While the 6464 boxcar is a little bit small for most people who run scale, I do think, first of all, I run some semi-scale stuff, so this will fit in. And second of all, this is about the same size as, you know, some of those 36-foot, 40-foot Woodside reefers. So I think I'm going to go with the Lionel Lines version of that boxcar, and it will look somewhat okay, I think, in that train. We're about to find out when it shows up. I'm guessing some point early next year. So let me know in the comments, guys. What do you think? Do you think Lionel stole my idea? I really don't think so. But hey, it's fun to think that, right? Hopefully they watch these videos. I don't know. But if you see some other things in the catalog that you think Lionel stole from you guys, or you told Ryan and Dave in the past, let me know. I'd love to hear some other ideas. Maybe Lionel is doing a better job listening to the customers than people think. But thanks for watching, guys. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time.